How do you say these words in Igbo? Tomorrow, echi, next tomorrow, one echi, please, biko, thank you, daalụ, hello, ndewo, goodbye, emesịa, sorry, undo, I don't know, amaghị m, yes, ee, no, mba,
Follow this page to